Hi darlings, this is Emma and you are here on my YouTube channel. I'm super excited about it. I'm also super excited about today's session on pocket option, where I'm going to be sharing every step and every decision with you. So let's get it started. Let's jump right in because I cannot wait to see how much profit we can make implementing the strategies I have in mind. First of all, MACD and the super trend, I'm gonna have this wonderful duo today to help me make the most informed decisions. And let's see. Well, my first bid, I'm going to place $148. And let's see what's happening here in the market. Do you spot it? Yes, there is a very strong downtrend in the USD. Both indicators clearly point toward a short. So it's time to go down. It's time to sell and take the profits. Let's do it. Ooh, I love the speed. You know what else I love? My fabulous Telegram channel, the link to which you will find right below this video. I created it with the sole purpose to help you build consistent profits and achieve stable results when you are trading. So don't forget to check it out, because that's one thing you don't want to miss, trust me. The feedback I got was overwhelmingly good. $284.16. Well, I would say that is a great start. I want to keep it that way. Okay, next pair and next decision. I'm gonna bump the bid to $200 this time. And I can see that the price has settled below the super trend line, which is a strong bearish sign. MACD is confirming the downward momentum, and I'm expecting further decline, aiming for a break below the candle's green wick. You see on the left? Yeah, right there. So it's time to sell. Let's sell and wait for that drop to happen. And really loving this new profit, $384. Wow, isn't that fascinating? Okay, let's get the next pair. And I'm gonna double the bid, $400 for this next one. Ooh, this is an interesting situation, darlings. Take a look. The setup is similar, but in the opposite direction. The pair is stabilizing above the super trend line, forming a clear uptrend. And the oscillator confirms a solid buy signal. So we're gonna go up, all the way up, and it is time to buy. Look at that growth. And by the way, if you really want to grow your skills and knowledge when it comes to trading, I will be really happy to help you in my TG channel. And trust me, $768. The profits come to those who are persistent and who really stay focused. These are the keys I'm handing you. Okay, well, for this asset pair, we're gonna need something extra. Definitely, we cannot do it without it. And okay, it's really important to place it properly. And the second one, proper placement as well. Precision is crucial here, guys. So be very, very precise. And 650 is my new bid. Well, The reason why I traced two trend channels here is to visualize the price behavior. You see, the price broke out above, then it returned inside, and now it broke downward and came back. The super trend line was broken to the upside. Darlings, that is a clear call option for me, and we are going up together. Yay! $1,232. I am beyond thrilled with this. Amazing. It's truly outstanding result. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, well, first let me put $900 as the next bid. I know things are getting serious and the numbers are getting bigger. And I see a strong bearish candle that has just formed. I am expecting a continued decline as support is being broken. Boom, broke right through. And MACD is already signaling a strong sell. So what do? We sell, because it's time to get that drop. Ooh, $1,728 is something that can clearly make me dance. It's a hooray! Fantastic, simply fantastic. Guys, I hope you do share my joy. Okay, let's get another pair. You cannot stop me now. Not that you could ever. I feel unstoppable. All right, I'm feeling it. $1,200, my next bid. Yes, the game is strong. Okay, the setup here is quite similar to the earlier one. The pair has now consolidated above the super trend line, and I am expecting further upside. And the oscillator is also supporting a buy, so we are going to go up. Call option, let's get it. Let's get it and let's enjoy it. Yoo-hoo! $2,220. It's the day of the twos. What a lucky, magical number. Guys, but one thing you gotta know about trading is not magic. It's something you can build consistently, step by step, improving yourself with practice and knowledge and skills. And I will provide all of that, except for practice maybe you should get while practicing. But the knowledge, the insights, and the most effective strategies, I shared all with you in my fabulous Telegram channel. The link to it is right below this video, so go check it out, because I know you will love it, like many, many more of my students. Thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome and stay tuned. I will see you very soon.